In the world of professional photography, there is a ghost that has been haunting the streets of New York, the back alleys of Tokyo, and the sun-drenched coastlines of California for over half a decade. It's a camera that shouldn't exist in an era of high-speed mirrorless behemoths and plastic smartphones. It's a camera that values soul over specs, feeling over focus points, and the art of the moment over the science of the sensor. I'm talking about the legend of the FUJIFILM X-Pro series. But for 5 years, there has been silence. The X-Pro 3 came and went, leaving a trail of controversy with its hidden screen and titanium skin. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Since then, the community has been whispering, waiting, and wondering, did Fujifilm give up on the purist? Or are they about to drop the most important camera of the decade? Right now, as we speak, the Fuji X-Pro 4 is no longer just a rumor. It is a reality being forged in the fires of a global film photography renaissance. In the next 30 minutes, we are going deep into why this camera is about to become the most sought-after piece of glass and magnesium in the United States. We are uncovering the leaked secrets of the new 40-megapixel X-Trans 5 sensor, the controversial return of a hybrid viewfinder, and the hidden AI that is being designed not to take the photo for you, but to make you a better photographer. If you've ever felt like modern cameras are just computers with lenses that have lost their heart, you are in the right place. Put down your phone, grab your favorite prime lens, and let's talk about why the X-Pro 4 is the camera that is going to save photography from itself. To understand the X-Pro 4, you have to understand the why behind the miniature Leica aesthetic. We live in a world of digital perfection. Every iPhone photo is HDR mapped to death. Every Sony Alpha shot is technically perfect but often surgically cold. The American photographer today is craving something else. We are craving texture. We are craving flaws. We are craving the feeling of a mechanical dial clicking under our thumb. This is why the X-Pro 4 is the most anticipated camera in the USA right now. It represents a rebellion against the auto mode of life. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the sensor. The leaks are confirming that the X-Pro 4 will inherit the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor from the X-T5 and X-H2. But here is the twist. Fujifilm has reportedly retuned the noise floor specifically for this camera. They aren't chasing the cleanest image at ISO 12800. They are chasing the organic grain. They want the digital noise of the X-Pro 4 to look like the silver halide crystals of Fujifilm 400H or superior. Imagine having the resolution to crop into a street scene in downtown LA, while maintaining the soul of a 35mm film print. This is the digital film dream that only Fuji can deliver. But the sensor is just the beginning. We have to address the elephant in the room, the viewfinder. The X-Pro series is the only modern camera system that offers a true hybrid multi-viewfinder. You can switch from a sharp 120Hz electronic viewfinder to a pure optical glass window with a flick of a lever. Rumors suggest that the X-Pro 4 is introducing a dual-stage optical viewfinder that can automatically adjust its magnification based on the lens you attach. Whether you're shooting a wide 18mm for architecture or a tight 56mm for a street portrait, the frame lines will be there, floating in space like a head-up display in a